How you came from that way, didn't you? I could tell. Like, it's not that loud, but I could tell.
I can crank it back up.
Neighbors are out. Dang, bro.
I can send it to 6, but I don't want to make your grandparents' ears bleed. Ready?
Oh, we're going this way?
Yeah.
All right. Drive the Civic.
Get in second, you motherfucker.
It's jerky. But feel the brakes though. You feel them?
God. Get in first, you motherfucker. Get out of the way, you crackhead. Damn, get in fucking first.
Do you have the clutch pedal all the way down?
No.
Well, that's probably why it's not going. She was like, what the fuck?
It's got some power, man.
Let me hop in there. Let me do it. Let me drive it now. Let me show you how a real race car driver does it.
Let me drive it to where we turned around at.
Alright.
I'm gonna try to do a squeal.
Alright. Don't hit nothing there. Okay, now let me do it. Alright. Ah, nigga! Let me get in the car. Stop it. You're already fucking my car now. Fuck you. You don't know how to drive.
I squealed, baby. I squealed.
I'll show you how to squeal it.
How do you open the door?
Out and bought my own dip, man. Didn't even ID me. Damn.
Stop the storm, we'll buy some monsters.
Rev it up. Go, big boy. Psych, I'm going. Smooth. For downshift, I got it too.
Donkey nuts.
Something's going on. Is there a hole in the radiator?
I don't know. I'm putting it back down before I get whacked.
I need to refill it full of water. We'll just let it calm down for a minute. Let's go in here.
You just want a monster?
Whatever, man. Also, I don't really drink monsters that often, so choose whichever one you like.
2 of these.
Dang, man, you're sweaty.
Yeah,
I can see the little
I'm whipping the car around, man.
No AC.
Hey, right.
Anything
Let's see here. Can I get this Tutti Frutti one out here?
Yeah.
How much is that?
else? Just 11.99 plus tax, 12.85.
Okay. Thank you. You have a good weekend. Or good Friday. How you doing? Yeah.
You heard the seat bolts loose?
What do you think about that, buddy?
Bro, you just bought a fucking bait for
There's some more pocket change for the interior job.
bro. She has a gnarly like burnout when you dump it at high. Yeah, I left black marks. Look, you recording this?
Yeah.
Burnout. I did a little burnout in my yard. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Bro, this thing's a monster. Oh, that's funny.
How's it going here?
All right, man. So what do you think about it?
Pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. I'm surprised.
Get in there.
See the weight? Tight fit, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
A few moments later.
Big 10, you gon' make it walk, I'm gonna walk on your face then. I'm gonna put you in the fucking grave, I'm gonna kill you. You gonna be talking this shit, I'm gonna fucking drill you. I'm gonna drill the bitch, okay. I'm gonna steal your bitch, okay. I got the hat turned sideways, put it on the right way. I'm gonna shoot this bitch, I'm going on the highway. I'm gonna ride around, I'll be riding in my caddy now. I'm gonna roll the windows down, looking at your bitch smiling at me. Hey, fucking I'm mad at fucking rev it now. Rev it up and fuck.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
I'm just a little shook up. That's all that is.
Talking about loud, boy.
We loud out here. We out here. Yeah,
well, now we gotta go home.
You gotta go home so mommy don't get mad.
Yeah. Tracking me, man, on Life 360.
That Life 360 life. Luckily, I don't got it.
It's okay, though. Watch me leave.
I'm watching you leave, man. Hey, which way you going? That way?
Yeah.
Alright, I got you.
Oh, whoa. That shit tried to slip out another gear. Beautiful truck. She's running really hot. I don't know, she probably cooled down by now. Never mind, she's running hot. Yeah, I need to go put water in her, but yeah, I live right down the road. So anyway, boys, I'll catch you on the next one, and I'm out of here.